I'm Clarissa. I'm your jungle explorer today. Amazon rainforest, the most amazing place on earth. Today I'm going to talk about the wild adventure. The one of the coolest, cutest, and slippiest and Amazon rainforest animal. Are you ready? What is the Amazon rainforest? The Amazon rainforest is a huge jungle in South America. It is the biggest tropical rainforest in the world. It covers countries like Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, Guyana. It is a home to over 10% of all known species to the planet. That means it has a lot of animals. There is a lots of wild animals to meet. That means an amazing Amazon jungle animal. Spider monkey. This is a spider monkey. This monkey has long arms and a tail like a rope. It swings high up in the tree. It is super fast, playful and loves bananas. Just like me. Its tail is so strong. It can hang from its legs. It's an extra arm. So this is Jaguar, the biggest cat in Amazon jungle. The biggest cat in the Amazon jungle. Don't worry, it won't eat us. Jaguars like to be alone and they are amazing hunters. They love rivers and even hunt fish. Macaw, colorful parrot. This bird is so colorful. That's a macaw. They live in a tall tree. Talk to their birdie friend all day long. Anaconda. Look at this anaconda. It is one of the biggest snakes in the world. But don't be scared, it likes to hide in rivers and only come out to catch its dinner. Mr. Sloth is no less at all. Sloth moves so slow that moths glow on their fur. Sloth poop once in a week. Yuck! Poison dart frog. Don't touch this tiny frog. But it may be small, but it is blind for a reason. It is a poison dart frog. Its skin has natural poison. That protects it from predators. Some frogs are tiny as your fingernails. Leaf cutter hand. Look at this ant. It is carrying a big piece of leaf for leaf cutter ants. They are called leaf cutter ants. And they work as a team to build an underground home. This ant never sleeps. It works 24/7. Blue Malpo butterfly. Its wings are shiny and blue, and its flaps super fast. When its wings close, it becomes brown and hides easily. Harpy eagle. This bird is huge and strong. It is the top was bird in the jungle skies. Its claws are bigger than grizzly bears. Tarantula. This big hairy spiders live in the ground and they only come out at night. Tarantula don't spin big webs. Hunt their food by sneaking around. Why are these animals important? All these land creatures are super important. They help to keep the forest healthy by splashing seeds, eating pests, and being part of the food chain. Without them, the Amazon forest wouldn't be the same. And guess what? This animal also helps the earth. The Amazon rainforest is also called the lungs of the planet because it gives us fresh air to breathe. What's the biggest cat in the Amazon?
Jaguar.
Which animal moves super sloth? What bug carries leaf like a builder? Leaf cutter. What bird has rainbow feather? Macaw. What animal live in river and super strong? Anaconda. You are a rainforest explorer now. You met some of the world's coolest animals and learned so many facts. If you had fun, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, comments on your rainforest animal below, and tell your friends to save the rainforest. Bye bye. See you next